Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to share MSET chemistry multiple choice questions based on atomic structure. First question, the correct set of 4 quantum numbers for the valence electron of rubidium atom. Option A 501 plus half, option B 500 plus half, option C 510 plus half, option D 511 plus half. Second question, which of the following is the energy of first excited state of hydrogen? Option A plus 13.6 electron volts, option B minus 3.4 electron volts, option C minus 6.89 electron volts, option D plus 6.8 electron volts. Third question, the group having isoelectronic species is option A O minus 2 F minus Na plus Mg plus 2, option B O minus F minus U sodium Mg plus 2, option C O minus 2 F minus 2 sodium Mg plus 2, option D O minus F minus Na plus Mg plus 2. For complete video, do subscribe my YouTube channel Learner's Choice at the rate of AL Madam. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.